sa iyon, Team Hilasan. Oo, may pa-challenge sila. Ayoko sana eh, kapitbahay nga sana yun eh. Aso yung kapitbahay namin eh. Ayan na, SRFam, thank you sa Team Hilasan, Team Bisdak, thank you so much guys. Alam niyo na kung sino kayo, hindi ko na isa-isahin guys. Ayan sa SRFam ko. Kaya Tani, thank you sa lahat ng agency. Ayan, thank you so much. Mr. Big Up, thank you. No more. O, sino pa ba hindi ko na-mention dyan? Pero, ayan, good luck sa'yo, Neneng. Good luck sa pa-challenge, sa ano mo, pakapi mo. Sa Bibi, paanuhin mo.
Thank you very much po.
Oh my God, thank you so much guys. But I thank you the one. Ay, wala the one. May multa ka. Walahin na ka. May multa ka dyan dahil dyan. Ayan, Neneng. And thank you. Yung
Multa-multahan
si
yan.
Neneng guys. Yung lumipat kayo sa kabila mamaya.
Thank you po.
So more, thank you guys.
Yes, thank you po.
Masubo tayo nang wala sa oras ba? Ayun na ha. Nag-agi-ate. Mali talaga eh. Buti lang may mainit na tubig.
Dapat masaya na sila niyan.
Ay, masaya
Diba?
na dapat talaga. Hello, Rain. Shawi, Rain. Ay, welcome back po. Thank you, Rain. Ayun, happy na kayo, ha? Ate mo na tagkalatalaan.
Happy na kayo.
Nakakatulog yung ate ko talaga. O, diba,
Dapat happy kayo.
oo, di ba Kuya Jed?
Nagpa-palpitate na pala, no?
Ay, di. Ang ipapainom ni Neneng pala is ano, tanduay.
Gin.
Ay, kumano niya siya, si Neneng kay siya
Gin na lang.
perform. Oh, Gina Day, thank you. Nice.
Thank you po. Hello guys, welcome manager, welcome Ate Roar, welcome guys to my 41 viewers, 1 minute to go and it's our live already. Welcome guys, welcome. And we're going to sing our first song. Hello Ate Inshang, welcome guys. Yes, this is our first song guys. It's called Kahit Maputi Na Ang Buhok Ko. Ay, sana all. Pumuputi ang kilikili, char. Puro buhok. And it goes like this. Hello, Ate Inshang. Hello guys, to my 46 viewers. Hello everyone. Please do send in your recommendation cards guys. Thank you. Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman nasama ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y yakan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Thank you po. Thank you, Sean. Thank you, Ate Rar. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo nangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Welcome everyone! Hello to my 62 viewers. Please do send in a recommendation card, guys. Because recommendation card are highly appreciated. Welcome Ate Yen. Yes, thank you, Sugar Roll family. Ang nakalipas ay pabalik natin. Ipaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na kahit maputi, kahit maputi na Welcome, guys! Yes, and that is kahit na maputi ang buhok ko, guys. Thank you for everyone na nagpunta ng aking live house, guys. We're going to sing our next song. Thank you po, everyone. Thank you to my 70 viewers. Please do send in a recommendation card, guys. Thank you in advance. Yes, guys, and this one is called Kanlungan. Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik pa ang kahapon. Liza, natatandaan mo pa ba ang tayong dalawa ay unang nakita? Panahon ng kamusmusan sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman. Doon tayo nagsimula, nangarap at tulad. Natatandaan mo pa ba? Inukit kong puso sa punong mangga at ang inalay kong gumamela. Magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gulita ng aking kahapon. Halaman, biyak ng ating unitan, sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan din dumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik pa ang kahapon. Yes, guys, maulan na gabi sa inyong lahat. It's so maulan here in the Philippines. Yes, thank you po. Thank you, guys, sa mga nagsasend ng recommendation cards, sa lahat po nagsasend ng gifts. Thank you very much. Ngayon ikaw ay nagbalik, tulad ko rin ang iyong pananabik. Makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan hahanapin hahanapin pa. Lumilipas ang panahon. Welcome guys! Kabiyak ng ating gumita ang mga bunot halaman. Bakit kailangang lumisan? Panapanahon ang pagkakataon, may babalik pa ang kahapon. Yes guys, to my 76 viewers, welcome everyone. Thank you for sending recommendation card and appreciation gifts. Thank you po sa aking Sugar Roll family, lalo-lalo na po sa aming manager at sa aking admin na si Madam Bebe na laging nandyan para sa akin. Thank you! Yes guys, welcome! Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating wika ang mga bunot halaman. Bakit kailangang lumisan? Welcome Katie! Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik pa ang kahapon. Ayan, nanahimik ng ulan. Ang kabingihan ay nababawasan ng mga kaibigan ngayong gabi. Yes, to my 80 viewers, hello everyone! Welcome to my live! Yes, Kap, may kape din tayo dito. Magbibigay tayo ng kape mamaya. Yes guys, so my 80 viewers, this is our next song, and our next song is called Close to You. Kape, kape para sa inyo. Kape, kape para sa lahat ng yan na. At ang ating internet ay nagluluko din dahil ang ulan. Yes. Why do birds suddenly appear every time they want it? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels started together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hand and golden starlight in your eyes of blue. White is white, all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Yes guys, to my 74 viewers, still listening A and B, and welcome to my live house tonight. We're going to sing songs tonight at magtitid na po tayo ng kape mamaya. Kape para sa lahat na nawawalan ng pag-asa. Kape para sa mga gustong magising sa umaga. On the day that you were born, the angels sat together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moonlights in your head of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. Thank you, Paul McCartney. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they I long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Close to you. Close to you. Close to you. La 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 la, close to you. So that is Close to You, guys, by Carpenters. Yes, guys, I'm going to play another song from this playlist. To my 76 viewers, guys, hello everyone. Thank you for coming to my live house. And this is our next song. It's called Love Will Keep Us Alive. All right. Tigay-tigay tayo listen. I was standing all alone against the wall outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely. Now you've given me the world to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Don't you worry, thank you. Sometimes you're just gonna let it ride. Thank you very much, everyone. The world is changing right before your eyes. Now I'll tell you, there's no more emptiness inside. Thank you, manager. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. I would die for you. Climb the highest mountain, baby. There's such an abundance to prove. Now I'll tell you, there's no more emptiness inside. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Yes, guys, to my 80 viewers, welcome to my live house. Silver is landing A, not B. Thank you for sending gifts and recommendation card, guys. Keep coming po yung recommendation cards. Thank you very much. I would die for you. Climb the highest mountain, baby. There's nothing I wouldn't do. I was standing all alone against the wall outside. You were searching for a place to hide. Lost and lonely, now you've given me the will to survive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Deborah, please do send any recommendation card. Thank you. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. When we're hungry, love will keep us alive. Yes, guys, to my 88 Infinity viewers, shout out to all of you guys, especially to my Shiro family and to my manager. Yes, guys, and we're going to sing more song from this playlist, guys. And this is our next song, and this one is called Para sa Akin. I for me, I for you, I for me, I para sa akin. Ang ating internet ay medyo hindi nagbibilis, nagbabagal lang siya. Parang umaano sa team ng aming night. Nag-i-slow ba? Thank you po, thank you very much for sending your recommendation card, guys. Ay, hate pala, kasi slow. Kung ika'y nabigin natin, di ka na muling luluha pa. Pangakong kalolokohin, ang puso ko nagmamahal. Kung ako'y papalanin, na ako iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ko lang ang iibigin, kailanman di kita pipilitin. Sabihin mo ang iyong damdamin, hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Kung ako'y mamalasin at meron ka lang ibang mahal, ngunit patuloy ang pag-ibig. Bakit kailanman di kita pipilitin? Sundin mo pa iyong damdamin, hayaan lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Buti na lang wala kayo dito, guys. Alam niyo ba, yung damit ko, amoy aparador, ang sakit sa ilong. Naghanap ako ng brown. Kung ako ay papalarin, ako'y iyong mahal na rin. Pangakong ito lang ang iibigin, mapagkailanman di kita pipilitin. Sundin mo pa iyong damdamin, hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Oo, Tishen, tiis ganda. Sundin mo pa iyong damdamin, hayaan na lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Amoy karton na ba? Tuloy yung lalamunan ko. Para sa akin. Tiis ganda yan. Ginusto mo yan, Neng eh. Yes, guys, to my 74 viewers, welcome everyone. And we're going to sing more songs from this playlist. And what is our next song? So yun nga, this is called Somewhere Down the Road. It's so hard, guys, pag na-e-box ka na, tapos you're somewhere down the road, di ba? Tapos, ganito yung mangyayari. Pakinggan nyo. At the right time? No. At the wrong time, at the wrong place. It's so hard. Buti na lang to. We have a right to love at the wrong time. Oh! again as I always knew inside. I wouldn't have to fall a long time. Tama, Ate Shen. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shore. And if they're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter where. Somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to say that you'll be loved with me. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. It doesn't matter if you're gone. I still believe in us together. I understand more than I think I can. You gotta go out on your own so you can find your way back home. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter where, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you'll be loved with me. Letting go, it's just another way I say I love you. Oh, patay naman ako. We had the right to love at the wrong time. Maybe we'll only just be gone. Maybe the best is yet to come. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. Yan nga guys, meron kaming challenge. Magtitimpla daw kami ng kape. Pero bago ang lahat, bigyan natin ang The Real Meow! It's Kitty Lee!
Hello,
Tayo ay
Ate
magtitimpla ng kape.
Lane. Congratulations sa'yo.
Arto, baka lumabas yung arko. It's so hard, baby, baby, baby,
Sinong
baby.
iinom ng kape? Sinong iinom ng kape?
Yung background, na, 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 na. Nasa labay, timplahan ko ng kape. Ay, 5 minutes lang po ito
Hello,
eh.
Ate Lane, everyone.
Okay, una
Ayan,
natin
guys,
ito.
5 minutes left before my live house starts. Hey.
Yan, tayo magtitimpla ng kape mga kaibigan. Mabilis ang pagtitimpla ng kape ko. Oh my goodness!
Ako wala. Wala ako.
Ito ako wala.
Hindi ako ano ng challenge. Hello, SRF, everyone.
Ayun ako! Ang gagawin natin, kunin ang kape. Tayo magtitimpla ng kape, guys! Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Pwede na yan. Kasi isa lang yung iinom. Na may tatubig, mga kaibigan. Ano natin lalagay? Okay, yan. Ganito.
Nescafe. Nescafe. Sino inom niyan, ate?
Surprise!
Ako wala.
Napakainit,
Wala
mga
akong ano.
kaibigan.
Hindi ako mag-ano ng challenge. Hello, Claire. Everyone, guys, don't forget to share your recommendation card in 3 minutes. I'll be starting my live house, guys. So you can support me by sending the event gifts, which is the baby cup and recommendation cards, guys. Thank you so
Masyadong
much.
mainit, guys.
Oo nga.
Papasok. Hindi natin tubig.
Good luck sa lalamunan ng iinom yan.
Kung may kape naman po. Yan. So, ganito
And
nga.
guys, I also have a challenge for tonight if you just wanna do the challenge. So if you ever send like the times 3 of the baby cup, I'm gonna put your profile. I'm
Bigyan
gonna
natin siya ng kape.
put your picture
Sino
on
kape?
my profile for 12 hours, guys. If you
Dito
just
tayo
wanna
sa
take the
labas.
challenge.
Yes, guys. Labas
Hello
tayo.
everyone. Circa Chan. Sino iinom? Ako hindi ako mag-ano ng
Turn!
challenge.
Let there be lights! Tada! Sino
Hello.
po doon? Ano yung doon?
Hello everyone. Good evening. I couldn't
Ayan, si
read your
Madam
name
Baby ang
kasi
iinom ng kape.
nabasa.
Nasa labas siya.
Si ate wala.
Oh,
Welcome here
illustrate yan.
guys.
Illustrate yung brewed coffee. At umuulan sa labas, guys. Challenge yung chef, Ed.
Congrats! Congrats simulation.
Oh my goodness. Nakikita niyo ba yung damit ni Neneng? Napakainit, guys.
Lahat ba nag-ano ng challenge ate? Yung mga nauna.
Napakainit. Balik tayo doon. Palpitate later. Si Ate Roar kasi, ang kakakain ng kape yan, pinapapak niya kasi.
Hello ate Roar everyone.
Yes, guys! 1 minute to
Ayan
go!
guys,
Hindi pa
nakikishare
po
ng
kayo kay
Reco card.
Katie.
Reco card guys. Thank you
Yes,
so
guys.
much.
Lipat na po kayo sa
So once again guys, if you wanna Hello everyone. Ayan guys, once again, if you wanna take the challenge, you can send times 30 of the baby cup gift. And I'm gonna put your picture on my profile for 12 hours. If you just wanna take the challenge. I wanna say goodbye. Congrats, Ate Neneng and everyone.
Thank you
Live
very
broadcast
much.
tonight. Yan, i-end ko na to ate.
Let's
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So everyone, Shakuno, Leah, everyone at the Gliza. Ayan guys, don't forget to share your recommendation card. Ayan. Okay. Ayan! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from all around the world! My name is Katie Lee from Sugar Rose Agency and Burning Red Cup, and welcome here on my live house for the Baby World Cup. So once again, guys, if you want to support my live house, you can send the event gifts, which is the big cup and the recommendation card. So I'll be singing songs from World Cup songs and some mellow, chill songs. Thank you so much. And if you want to take the challenge, you can send times 30 of the baby cup gift so that I can put your picture on my profile. Ate Francine, everyone, Mr. Big Up, yeah, welcome here, guys. Once again, guys, if you want to support my live house, hello everyone. If you want to support my live house, you can send the baby cup event gifts, and if you send the times 30, I'll be putting your picture on my profile for 12 hours. Thank you so much. So this is for my first song. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Francine, everyone here. So guys, I'll be singing songs from the World Cup and some mellow and chill songs. The baby cup gift. We are the dreamers and make it happen. Yes, we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen. Yes, we can see it. Here's to the ones that give the passion, respect. Oh yeah. Here's to the ones that can imagine, respect. Oh yeah, gravity. Alaholaran, alaholaran, alaholaran. can make. Respect and love the only way. If you wanna come, come with me. The door is open now every day. This 1+2 rendezvous, all invited. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are. Yeah, thank you so much, Ezra, for taking the challenge. We make it happen, cause we believe it. Look who we are. We are the dreamers. We make it happen, cause we can see it. It's to the ones that keep the passion. Hello, everyone. Respect. Oh, yeah. It's to the ones that respect. Oh, yeah. Oh, la da. A la oh, la da. A la oh, la da. A la oh, la da. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, cause we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that give the passion, respect. Oh yeah, here's to the ones that can imagine, respect. Oh yeah, a la ho la dan, a la ho la dan, a la ho la dan, a la ho la dan. Hey. And here's another song from the World Cup. Hey. Thank you. Oh, 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 oh. Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. You define us and make us feel proud. And the stars are heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation and all around us sing forever young. Singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, and wave your flag, and wave your flag, and wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh. Give it freedom, give it fire, give it reason, take you higher. See the champions take the field now. You define us and make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifted as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation all around us sing forever young. Singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, and 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 wave your flag. Thank you so much, guys. So once again, if you want to support my live house, you can send the baby cup gift, which is the bottle, guys, and record cards. Thank you so much. And if you want to take the challenge, you can send times 30 of the big cup gift, and I'm gonna put your picture on my profile for 12 hours. Thank you so much. I will be stronger, they call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, and 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 wave your flag. Oh, 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 hey. And this song is for the 2026 World Cup. Die, die. Hey, are you ready, Sugar House Agency? Here from the day you were born, here in this place you belong. You've been this brave all along. What broke you once made you strong. Die, die, eco, dale, ale, let's go. Die, die, eco, dale, ale, let's go. Woo! Let's go! Follow your desire, where the will there's a way. You're the owner of the fire, no one can take it away. Sweat and blood to write your story, this is how you clear the way. You're about to reach the glory, only one step away. All the highs and the lows, all the tears and the pain. You've been there for it all, been through it all, just do it again. Now you got to believe, cause you know what it takes to believe in my dreams. Thank you, Mr. Pick Up. Feel it, got everything you needed. Now bring it like you mean it, just like you mean it. Dale, no vida lo que vales. Juega como te sabes, como te sabes. Energy's contagious, you know it never fails. Don't notice getting tired at the end, cause we got a fire. Hey, jump a little higher. Let's go, let's go, let's go, Sugar Rolls! Hey, so once again, guys, you can send the big cup, baby cup gift. Thank you so much. And the record card is highly appreciated too. Thank you so much. And we can hold on to the past no more. From the dirt and the tears we may go. We're more than flesh and bones, all the highs and the lows, all the tears and the pain. You've been there for it all, been through it all, just do it again. Now you got to believe, cause you know what it takes to believe in my dreams. Have the gift of your game, feel it, got everything you needed. Now bring it like you mean it, just like you mean it. And darling, no vida lo que vales. Juega como te sabes, como te sabes. Ayan guys, let's all welcome at si Yuri and Jasper na kayo guys.